This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Saputo. Grand Oaks. An intimate enclave of detached maintenance-free homes so well designed and located. A refined blend of coastal and Mediterranean architecture with superior craftsmanship and elegant appointments. This former model home is special around the brick paver drive and walkway, through gorgeous front door, into a flowing floor plan with high-end features. Most of the rooms are tile, 8 doors throughout and volume ceilings with tray ceilings in great room and owner's suite. Pocket doors to DEN granite counters in kitchen and baths, wood cabinets in kitchen. Floor plan is perfect for entertaining, featuring a gourmet kitchen with breakfast bar, recessed lighting and split bedroom plan offering privacy for all. Large lanai with brick pavers. Spacious owner's suite with 2 closets and sumptuous bath. Split vanities and private water closet. Den and second bedrooms are generously sized. Impact windows throughout. Beautifully landscaped. Updates: gutters in 2020, refrigerator 2020, air conditioner 2022, dishwasher 2024, exterior painted 2023. A gated and walled community offers an active and carefree lifestyle to unwind and forge lifelong memories. No CDD fees. Residence Club offers resort-style pool with SBA, fire pit, and outdoor grill. Expansive community sidewalks for walking, biking, or running. Outstanding location minutes from historic downtown Venice, Gulf beaches, shopping and dining. Easy access to I-75. A superior home in a superior location. See it today. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Saputo at 941-493-3359.